Hey guys, it's me again with another tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create a burnout text effect in Canva. So first of all, we're gonna go to your Canva page. Afterwards, we're gonna go to templates, and we can see a lot of Canva templates here. So we will just select the most appropriate one. So we go to create a YouTube, maybe a video, so landscape video. Then here we're gonna search for elements, burned video, burned paper. I'm sorry. So just select the most appropriate one. Maybe this one looks nice. Then we're gonna go to text, add a text box, and just put like Canva. Actually, I think a heading is better. Press Canva, then press 210, search for the font, go to the very bottom, the black box one. Select this and make the Canva bigger. There we go. Then we can reduce the size of this blue. Then this one, put this on top. So you can see it will look like this. There's the burned out. There we go. But we can change the background to black, same as this. So we just go here to elements, then just for black. Maybe a background, a photo. So maybe we put this back photo on top of these layer. Can put it here. Then again, copy and put the same thing. Second one goes on top, so it covers the same colors as the black ones. Then can edit the part of it so it will look like something like this for the finished product. So here's our finished product. As you can see, this is how you create a Canva burned out text effect. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more Canva tips and tricks to come.